cancha de juego de pelota. Difícil de creer, carece de anillos, pero posiblemente fueron anillos de madera en donde los mayas jugaron con los codos y caderas. Allí tenemos dos jugadores ya listos para iniciar. Con los codos, cadera. Eso. Ahí está.
So then this is how the 22 Mayan languages in Guatemala. If I have 1 meter from that to there, that means that's 0. So we got a 0. Today we are 22 years, but we started with 0. So BC and 80. So BC, 600 years BC, 900 years 80. The Mayans that were here. Okay. Very interesting. Oh. Yeah, so they were here BC and 80. So, but we got a 0. So that's why today, the preacher says, oh, 200 years ago, our Jesus Christ came here. Okay. Because we got a 0. So that's why we have 22 years. But then this is how BC and 80. So then that was the time Tikal was occupied and Yaxhá was occupied. Not only Tikal, not only Yaxhá, but then the whole Mayan area. You know the Mayan area? Part of El Salvador, Honduras, Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. Those archaeological sites, they were occupied. Could be like 1,000 years BC until 900 years AD. I mean, everything collapsed. All of this was completely abandoned. So many trees grow, and the seeds fell into the building. This is why all of this is covered with vegetation. So then, as an archaeologist, what you need to do is like do the map and see what is there and try to investigate. So all of this is still covered with vegetation. Over there, we have another one. Here, we have another one. Oh my, yeah, all of this around.
What is this one here, Josue?
This is a great pyramid of one of the major Mayan structures, and then it also is one of the major astronomical observatory points in Yaxhá. It's large, it's big, it's huge, but has been not excavated. Here in the jungle, this jungle is magic. Yeah, it is. Yeah, look at this. This is the North Acropolis. You see this is one of the largest stone palaces. The stone roof collapsed, and then that's why they put this roof. This is some family. Wow. It was lifted to protect. And then you got a round corner. Really nice before. This is Yaxhá. Yaxhá means green water.
Green water.
Green water.
Wow.
Green water. That's the name of the site. And also the name of the lake.
The lake.
The lake. That's a crocodile.
Oh!
Yeah. Look at this. Very interesting residential palaces for the rulers in Tikal. So then archaeologists, they understood like the low-class people, the workers, they were living around this area in a wood thatch roof house, like it has been destroyed by the time. But only the largest stone palaces belongs to the rulers, just the elite, just the high-class people. Just like this. Look over there. You see that structure? You see that structure? Protecting that wall? But for some reason, go and explore it.
Wow. Oh my God.
Go ahead, yeah.
Oh, look.
Giant structure. The Mayans, they decorated their walls like this with some image of special animals like the snake. See the tail of the snake over there? And his head is down here. And also a jaguar claw
right there. All these Gahfus de Hawaii. Very interesting. And right here, you see how we have little, onion shape. If you want layer, another layer, you can go inside if you want. Look at this. Layer by layer. They left like this. Archaeologists did this. Just to show how Mayans they were building. They found the first layer right there. And then another layer on top. Another layer on top. Layer by layer, like onion shape. Yeah. We're gonna go here. Look at this temple right here. This is the one you need to climb. Now we're gonna go up. Right there. That has a nice view from the top.
Whoa. That's beautiful. Listen to the monkey. This is amazing.
Which is one way to come up. So it was with a stone. What happened with the stone collapsed. So what the archaeologists did fix. So that's why we're not allowed to go on top.
To go on top of it.
Exactly. Here is possible. But here we got this view. See? That's why I was explaining like the best view from here. It's right there. This is Yaxhá. The temples that were built like representing mountains. So the priest comes and believes and he was getting used to the god. Very interesting because who climbs the temple? The priest. Why? Because the priest was the guy who prayed to the god. And he was there. Nobody knows exactly how long he was there. Maybe a couple hours or a couple days. And then after that, talk with everybody. Yeah. So the priest was the guy who comes here and stay there without eating, without drinking, especially meditation time. That's how it is. So that's why most of the archaeological sites always they have a temple like this, a building, believing like they are getting near to the close to the yeah. So in front we got a larger stone palace. That's one of the palaces. That was for the ruler with the people like administration palaces. Yeah, to control the city. So here, this lake comes from the lake, It's Yaxhá Lake, Macanche, Salt Petén Lake, and also we have a Petén itself. The calyx right there. In the jungle. Any idea which color?
I wanted to red.
Red, it's red. Right.
Indigenous people.
Sunrise.
Yeah.
Oh.
West. Which color to the west?
Oh,
Black.
I know there's red, black,
Sunset.
green,
Sunset.
and
And green in the center, connection with the heaven.
Mhm.
The ceiba tree is the Guatemala national tree, but it's a secret Mayan tree for the Mayan. The tree of life. So that's a contemporary Mayan alpha.
22. Piche, Cachiquel, Poconchi. Piche, Cachiquel, Poconchi, Pichichi. Maya Isa, Maya Mapang, Pichichi. Maya Isa. Maya Isa, Maya Mapang. And Maya Yucatec, that's Mexico.